Waking up to a sky that's neon blue. Another day, another version of the truth. My interface is flickering, my blood is cold. Selling my memories before they get old. They promised us the stars, gave us glowing screens. I'm just a ghost living in between the machines, trying to find a pulse in a silicone chest, searching for a place where a mind can rest.
Shuffling 16th note hi-hats in 10, driving the energy.
The system's calibrated to the life I used to know. I'm screaming endless silence.